Welcome back to Honest Explorer. This is the channel where we break down the latest tech without the fluff. We translate confusing features into real-life value, and we help you find the right product for you, not just the one with the biggest ad budget. Today, we're diving into Samsung's brand new OLED, the S85F Vision AI OLED TV. Yeah, Vision AI. Sounds futuristic, right? But what does it actually do? And more importantly, does it make this TV smarter or just more expensive? In this video, we're breaking down the S85F feature by feature. We'll compare it to Samsung's other OLEDs like the S90D and S95D. And of course, we'll see how it stacks up to LG's C4 and Sony's A80L. By the end, you'll know exactly who this TV is for and if it belongs in your setup. Let's get into it. Let's start with the picture quality. The S85F is a 4K OLED TV. That means rich contrast, true black levels, and vibrant color. But what makes this one different? 2 words: Vision AI. Vision AI is Samsung's next-gen processing tech, powered by the NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor. This chip analyzes your content and your environment. Then it adjusts color, contrast, and brightness in real time. Dark room, deeper shadows. Bright room, boosted highlights. It's all automatic and honestly pretty slick. The processor doesn't just touch the picture, it touches everything. It sharpens detail, minimizes noise, and enhances textures in real time. Whether you're watching animated content, fast-paced action, or a slow drama, you get visual clarity that feels a step ahead. Compared to Samsung's S95D, that one's got a QD OLED panel, so it's brighter and more vivid, but it's also more expensive. The S90D? Similar OLED panel to the S85F, but no advanced Vision AI. Now, compared to LG's C4, that model uses LG's Alpha 9 chip. It's good, but not as scene-specific as Samsung's AI. And Sony's A80L? Gorgeous picture, amazing motion, but not adaptive to lighting changes like the S85F. In a nutshell, Vision AI makes the S85F feel more intuitive, more personalized, more responsive. Next up, gaming. If you're rocking a PS5, Xbox Series X, or even dabbling in PC gaming, this TV's got you. We're talking 4K at 120Hz, VRR, variable refresh rate, all-M, auto-low latency mode, FreeSync Premium Pro, full HDMI 2.1 support. Plus, you get Samsung's Game Bar 4.0. That's an on-screen overlay that shows FPS, lets you tweak settings, and customize your play without leaving the game. Response time is snappy. Input lag? Practically invisible. Whether you're in a competitive FPS or a casual adventure title, this TV keeps up. Compared to the S95D, that one pushes it even further with 144Hz support. But for most gamers, the S85F delivers smooth, responsive performance. LG has G-Sync, a great game optimizer, but Samsung's Game Hub brings console-free cloud gaming. Seriously, just connect a controller and play Xbox titles right from the TV. If you want plug-and-play ease with pro-level performance, the S85F is a fantastic pick. Now let's talk design. Samsung calls this the laser slim design. And yeah, it's thin, super thin. The bezels? Barely there. The back? Flat and clean. The cable management? Surprisingly satisfying. Mount it on the wall or use the included stand, either way it looks premium. It's not just a screen, it's part of your decor. Compared to LG's C4, it's slimmer. Not quite as sleek as the S95D, but definitely modern and stylish. If aesthetics matter to you, this one checks the box. Sound time. This TV sounds better than you'd expect for something this thin. You're getting Dolby Atmos, Object Tracking Sound Light, Adaptive Sound Pro. Translation? The audio follows the action on screen, and the TV tunes the sound depending on what you're watching. Pair it with a Samsung Q Symphony soundbar, the TV and soundbar speakers sync up for a big immersive soundstage. Sony A80L still wins for sound innovation with Acoustic Surface Audio Plus. But unless you're a total audiophile, Samsung's combo here is more than enough. Dialogue comes through clearly. Explosions have depth. Ambient sounds feel expansive. It's not a substitute for a full audio system, but for everyday use, it's impressive. Let's look at the smart features. The S85F runs on Samsung's Tizen OS. It's fast, responsive, and easy to navigate. You get Samsung Smart Hub, Samsung Gaming Hub, voice assistant support, Bixby, Alexa, and Google, personalized recommendations powered by Vision AI. Tizen is clean and efficient. You don't need to dig through layers of menus to find what you want. Everything feels smooth and connected. Compared to LG's WebOS or Sony's Google TV, Tizen is a little less customizable, but more seamless for connected homes. And if you're already using Samsung devices or smart things, it's basically plug and play. Here's a quick comparison breakdown. S85F versus S95D. S95D is brighter and more high-end, but the S85F is more budget-friendly and still smart. S85F versus S90D. S90D doesn't have Vision AI. The S85F does, versus LG C4. LG's got strong gaming tools, but less dynamic picture adjustment. S85F versus Sony A80L. Sony wins on motion and cinematic tone, but S85F adapts better to different rooms and lighting. So, who is the Samsung S85F for? It's for you if you want smart picture optimization without touching the remote. If you love gaming and want HDMI 2.1, low input lag, and cloud gaming, this TV's ready. If design matters and you want something that looks premium, it fits the bill. And if you're already using Samsung devices, it's an easy addition. Who might want to skip it? If you want the absolute brightest screen, go for the S95D or LG G4. If you're obsessed with ultra-realistic cinema vibes, Sony A80L or A95L might be your jam. If you're on a tighter budget, the S90D or LG B4 could get you most of the way there. But overall, the S85F delivers smart features, solid performance, and a great experience at a fair price. All right, what do you think? Is the Vision AI OLED worth it? Would you pick the S85F or go with something else? Let us know in the comments. And if this helped you out, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Honest Explorer. We've also dropped deal links for the S85F and its competitors down in the video description. Check them out if you're ready to upgrade.